Hi, this is Monica of Knitted Wishes. In this video, I'm going to show you how to purl yarn over purl into one stitch. This produces a 2-stitch increase. We're going to purl into the next stitch. We're not going to take the stitch off the needle. We're going to bring the right hand needle to the front. We're going to make a yarn over. We're going to hold it in place, and then we're going to purl again into the same stitch. This is similar to the knit yarn over knit increase, except we're doing this on the purl side. Let's try this one more time. We're going to purl into the next stitch. We're going to leave it on the left hand needle. Then we'll bring the right hand needle to the front, make a yarn over, hold it in place, and purl into the same stitch. Thank you for watching.